comes. Look, you can see all of Thomasland from up here. Here we go. Look, so you can see Cranky, look. Way! Go up high, go up high. Ah!
Did he go up by itself?
And we're going down. So you get the low one, put it out, go up high. Now you can get the high one, look. Go, get it up high. Do it like this. Whee! Put that fire out. Put that fire out. You're getting wet, you're getting wet. Look at you. Get the middle fire, middle fire. Get the top fire. There it is. Get it in the hole, get it in the hole. I'm not sure why they got rid of the water cannons here. Maybe they change it in the maybe in the summer they'll put them back, but I don't know. Looks a bit permanent, these lights, don't they? Searchlights instead of water cannons. It's not as much fun, is it?
Why did I got rid of away those cannons? I think I get rid of away those cannons when I was shooting at the window.
Oh, I doubt it was because of you. It is a bit strange though, isn't it?
You had to pull?